everyone. Today is Monday. I don't work today, but today I have to go into work because we are gonna go talk to a mortgage representative to see if we can get pre-approved for a mortgage. Fingers crossed. I hope all that goes well. Baby is just sleeping right now, and thank God, because he hates going in that thing and he will normally whine. So he went in there peacefully because he's sleeping. I know everyone in my job is going to be excited to see him. They're going to probably want to hold him, but I think he's going to be sleeping the whole time. So. Qué linda manita que tiene el bebé. Qué linda, qué bella, qué preciosa es. Yay! Again. No. Where's that smile?
Yeah, you don't get out my face with that crap.
Where is it? Where is it? Is that what you like? You like creepy monster noises, you little weirdo? Huh? You like this voice? Do you? We are going to change little man's diaper. Right? Are we changing your diaper? Are you kicking again? Are you kicking? Yeah, so I'm gonna change his diaper. He just woke up from a really long nap, so his diaper's super full. But I just wanted to let you guys know that we went to the bank and we talked to a mortgage representative. We did get approved. Well, we did get the pre-approval, so that was very exciting. So God willing, and I will pray on this so much, we get a house. And so I'm just praying that we get a house, and it's just very exciting because, you know, we're young and we might be homeowners. Sorry, I keep looking at him, but we might be homeowners. He can have his own little room, and I love to decorate. So I'm looking forward to decorating our home. And I just hope that it all, you know, works out for us, and that'll let me know, you know, why nothing else ever worked out, because you guys have no idea how many times we thought we were gonna move into a house and then it fell apart and it never happened. So I just hope that this time it works out and it will be even better because it's our home. Like, we're paying for our own home. So that would be amazing. Right now we're living in a 1-bedroom apartment. It's so tiny. The kitchen is tiny, the bathroom is tiny, the bedroom is tiny. I mean, you know, I do my best with it, you know, in terms of where everything goes and decorating and everything, but you know, pretty soon this little guy is gonna have way more things. He already has a lot of things that's taking up so much room. So I know that as he gets older, it's just gonna get worse. Are you just waiting for me to change your diaper? You're like, Mom, stop talking. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I will be doing an apartment tour. Not that it's going to be much of a tour, but I'm going to do a little tour so you guys can see what the extent of our apartment is. And that way, if we ever do move into our own home, you guys can see, like, where we came from. Like, you know, where we started at and then where we are going to end up, or where we ended up. So, yeah, look for that soon. I didn't vlog the wedding yesterday because we didn't go to the wedding. It's a long story, but we didn't go to the wedding and I feel so bad and it sucked. And if I can do the day all over again, I will prevent so many situations, so many things, and just have been at the wedding and had a good time. But that didn't happen. Guys, for some reason, when I'm gonna take off his clothes, he gets so excited. Putting the clothes on is a problem, but taking it off, he gets so excited. My husband the other day was just like, are you gonna be a nudist when you get older? He I don't know, he just starts kicking around. He starts smiling. It's so funny. But as soon as those clothes goes back on, he starts whining. I think it's so funny. Am I taking your pants off? Huh? Am I taking your pants off? Huh? Yeah? Are the pants coming off? Are the pants coming off? Come on. Come on. Where's that smile when the clothes are coming off? Where's that smile? Huh? Oh, pants are off. Pants are off, mister. Pants are off.
Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne, oh nice. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you,
You're so silly. Hola everyone. I know that I'm vlogging super late in the day, and this is gonna be a very short vlog. Just wanted to let everyone know that I finally got my camera, and of course it's dead, so we're trying to figure out how to charge it because it came with a really weird charger looking thingy.
That thing, that drone is like dumb weird.
Come here so you can show them, because I got the baby. And yep, I'm just feeding little Bubby here. He has this habit now of when he eats of crossing his hands together. Before he would actually I don't know what he did before.
Okay, so this is the regular end. That's the part that goes into the battery dock. Bam, you know. Then it got this weird thing to plug in the wall. Like, how the heck?
Yeah.
What
I don't
socket
know.
does that go in?
We gotta go to China. I don't know. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So now we're gonna try to figure out a way to charge it. He says he has an idea. Let's see if it works.
I have to sacrifice my PlayStation.
Yeah, so we had to turn off the PlayStation, which this little man is probably not happy about either, because he watches TV on the PlayStation while he's eating his food. But anything distracts you, right, Bubby?
Let's see. Voila.
You got it?
Yep, charging.
Oh crap! How'd you do that? Oh, cause that end. So you just put that end for the PlayStation?
Yeah, look like at the end of the PlayStation.
By the way, guys, we have some Chick-fil-A, so it's a mess over here. But that's the camera right there. We haven't used it yet, but we tried taking a picture, but it came out kind of blurry. Next time I'm vlogging, hopefully it'll be on the camera. Hopefully it'll be better quality. And let's see how everything else goes, because now I got the camera and I got the laptop. No excuses. Let's see. This little tripod thing is so cute. It's so little. This is to hold the camera. Yeah, baby. Somebody's gonna kidnap you for being so cute. Stop being so cute. They all love you.